Beef Biryani Recipe. For the beef marinade, 500 grams beef. Cut into pieces, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste. For the rice, 2 cups basmati rice. Soaked for 30 minutes and drained for 2 to 5 cups water. Whole spices 2 to 3 cloves. 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, 1-inch cinnamon stick. For the biryani, 3 medium onions. Thinly sliced, 1/2 cup cooking oil or ghee, 2 tomatoes. Chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, saffron strands soaked in warm milk, fresh coriander leaves, and mint. Leaves for 1. Marinate the beef. In a bowl, mix together yogurt, ginger paste, garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. Add the beef pieces and marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. 2. Cook the rice. In a large pot, bring water to a boil. Add the soaked and drained rice, along with the whole spices. Cook until the rice is about 70% cooked. It should still have a slight bite. Drain and set aside. 3. Fry the onions. Heat oil or ghee in a separate large pot. Fry the sliced onions until they are golden brown. Remove half of the fried onions and set aside for garnishing. 4. Cook the beef in the same pot with the remaining fried onions. Add cumin seeds once they splutter. Add the marinated beef and cook until it's browned and cooked through. Add chopped tomatoes, coriander powder, red chili powder, and garam masala. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the oil starts to separate. 5. Layering the biryani. Spread the cooked beef mixture evenly at the bottom of the pot. Top it with a layer of partially cooked rice. Sprinkle saffron milk, fried onions, chopped coriander leaves, and mint leaves. 6. Repeat the layering. Repeat the layering. Process with the remaining beef and rice. Finish with a layer of rice and garnishes on top. 7. Dum cooking. Cover the pot tightly with a lid or aluminum foil. Place it on a tawa griddle over low heat, or place it in an oven preheated to 350 F180C. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the rice to fully cook. 8. Serve. Gently fluff the biryani with a fork before serving. Serve the beef biryani with raita, salad, and your favorite chutneys. Enjoy your flavorful and aromatic Asian-style beef biryani.